So I'm Andre Cortes. I'll be driving a Formula Ford. So I started my racing career in high karts, surprisingly. That's how I sort of found my love for racing, and then we wanted to progress, so we got our own go-kart, found some success in that. So then we moved up into a Formula V, raced the Formula V for a bit, then we got some success in that, so we moved up to a Pulsar, and currently I'll be running the Pulsar in 2023, as well as doing some running in the Formula Ford as well. So goals for this year, I would like to obviously win a few races in a Formula Ford, and in terms of racing the Pulsar, I'd love to win the championship in that. So this is the Duratec Formula Ford. It's a Spectrum 011B. It's got what's called 4 gears, extremely low to the ground, very similar to a go-kart, I reckon. So any kid who would like to progress into their car racing career, I reckon they would really get comfortable really quickly in a Formula Ford, just like I found it. First drive in the Formula Ford I did last year blew me away how fast it was. I pushed the accelerator down for the first time, pulled down the back straight, and it just woke me up straight away. It's got that much torque, that much power for such a little thing. It was really fun. And I just want to thank my parents for helping me progress through my motorsport career. And in the future, I would like to race in the Bathurst 1000.